guys go to the... Oh my god, it's so live here, so cool. Like a whole kit, like a stage 2 kit.
Oh yeah.
And the fluttering is different. It sounds like, right now it's like a pss, pss.
Oh, okay.
But when you upgrade it to like intercooler and everything, it sounds like like it flutters like.
Yeah.
Dude, it showed up right here.
I would buy another if I bought it.
Oh, this one has a lot of carbon fiber. Straight pipe. Nice. What do you think? One of these? Cruise around California, over there. You need one of these in California. It's like you cut through the traffic and stuff. That's a sick R6. Sick R6. FastLaneD! Let's go! Good to see you, man. Good to see you. My name is Wealth. I watch your video, watch your content. I love it. I love it. Yes, sir. Let's go. Finally see this boy in real life. Damn, he's huge. Sexy R1 right there. What you guys think? My next bike, R1? Yeah, man.
What's happening, everybody? Who's ready to win some prizes there?
Oh, this is a clean number 6.
We're gonna get ready and set up for a slow race, and I believe there's some special prizes for anybody who can beat them. I heard it's not that difficult. So you know you don't need
Yeah,
it.
this is super low.
What we're gonna do is we're
The throttle thing.
this end of the parking lot heading up towards the street. First prize is a Cardo Pack Talk. We've got a bunch of prizes, so if you guys want to stick around, come around, have a look at the table.
Like I said, the camera doesn't pick up how loud these things are. Yeah.
Not at all.
Flame pop out of that exhaust.
Oh, did it really? A flame came out?
Yeah, broad
It shoots
daylight.
out both sides, so
Broad
that's the
daylight.
cool part. Yeah, I'm really getting on it. I love it, man. Hell yeah. That's what's up, man. We doing these slow races or what?
Let's get started.
Who wants to smoke on the slow race? Nobody? With you?
I'll take
Yeah.
I got you.
Hey, all right, let's do it. Let's run it.
You just don't.
I saw you photos now.
Oh, Yamaha, slow up the line, come on. Get in, get in. Gonna do the BMW team run there, buddy. Oh, no, don't do it. Don't do it. Come on. Don't look over at him. Don't let it happen. Stay in it. It's a close race. It's a close race.